said, y'all are standing right where people used to poop and pee. We are here.
Good morning, camera. Good morning, camera.
In Georgia for Super Museum Sunday.
It's also Super Bowl Sunday. So,
I know something about this. This museum is called the Archaeological Museum.
Yes, it is.
We are at the Etowah Mounds.
Yes, indeed. Burial mounds.
The burial mounds, yes.
Yes.
And I can see one from here.
I can see a couple from here.
I can't see any from here. Yeah, so like I can't see one because I'm all the way in the back seat. So I'm sorry, but I want to show you one.
We'll show them in a second.
So yeah, we drove an hour south into Georgia for Free Museum Day.
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half.
Yep.
Yeah,
oh my goodness.
This Archaeological Museum is going to have the largest archaeo in the world.
The tallest mound in Georgia at 60 feet, and it is one of the largest and most well-preserved archaeological sites in the southeast.
Yes, so that means what we're about to go see is the largest thing ever.
It was discovered in the early 1800s. It was built prior to the Cherokee even moving to this area, but I don't remember dates. Do you?
Let's go into the museum and find out, shall we?
Yeah, but I have one more question.
Okay.
Can you believe how big that thing is?
No, let's go see it.
We haven't seen it yet.
Let's go see it.
Yeah! That's the whole city.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Looks like the village of Moana.
Yeah, I can see that. Off of the slopes. So stay to the path, basically.
Free Saturday, Sunday!
What else? It's a drill. If it has stone as the tip, it's a drill. As you can see, it works very, very well, and it's very easy to make. But if it's a if it had a wooden tip, it would have been used as a fire starter.
How'd you, use this to shoot out the thing?
Great question. I will show you right now, actually. It's very easy. All you need to do is notch it on here, and then you just aim the atlatl, flick the wrist, launch. And just like nice throw. So.
It went all the way stuck in the grass.
It did. Who here wants to try it? I'll try it. 1 and 2, 3. You might be a little too young, but we'll give you a try. All right, my brave volunteers, please line up. I'm gonna give you the heavy one. I'm gonna give you the light one, and I'm gonna give you the medium one. This is my personal favorite. By far, the best one. Here you go. 1, 2, and 3. So, go ahead, exactly like I showed you. You're gonna notch it. All fingers grasping the handle except for 2. So your index and your thumb will hold on to the spear point. There we go. Alrighty, so right here you're gonna grasp it with your hand. Not like this, but like this. Oh, I got it. Perfect, just like that. You got it? Well, great try, great try. Every day.
Alright.
And like I said, y'all are standing right where people used to poop and pee. So, feel a little proud of that.
Good job.
Roughly 1,000 years, give or take.
Here.
Can I go down there and get my ball?
No.
I'm gonna go get it for you. Great job.
Hey, hey.
cool tools.
Right? All right, so what did you learn?
I learned how not to use an atlatl.
Yeah.
Why can't you?
The first time went really bad.
It was interesting. What do you think of using the atlatl, Mel?
Well, I actually shot it pretty far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was pretty cool. I had told him that if they ask what it's called, tell them it's called an atlatl, because when I was in Australia, they asked, does anyone know what this is called? And I answered correctly, and I won a boomerang for it, and we lost that boomerang. We don't know where it is anymore.
Yeah, we lost it in the move, the last move.
So that is why I did that.
You were hoping to recreate the magic?
Yes, I was. All right, what did you learn, Mal?
I learned that atlatls are kind of meant for just hooking it into the thing and then tossing it.
Yep, throwing the spear.
Yeah.
I really liked the drill / fire starter
Oh yeah, the multi-use tool.
and the replaceable tip spears.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. The replaceable tip spears was something I hadn't seen before, and it seems it's genius.
It's genius. And so is the paddle club.
Yeah. What was your favorite, Mal?
My favorite was shooting again.
That was okay.
Yeah, I think that
Yeah.
was all of our favorites.
Yeah. We're gonna head up the first mound. There's another one over there.
Looks like we got the three large mounds.
This is Mound B. Mound B, structure 3. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little one, right?
All right, let's go up this one first, and
That's the
then we'll
largest
do
mound.
the really big one.
That's the largest mound.
Yeah.
Are we gonna do the little guy?
Yeah, we'll do all 3.
We're doing the little guy right now.
Oh, is this a little? No, I think there's a smaller one over there.
Oh yeah, no, this is the medium one.
I'm already out of breath. You would think we didn't
I
have
was-
stairs at home.
I was just running up and down that hill. After everybody's spears.
Oh, wow.
That's cool. We got a river back here?
Yep, he said to check it out. You're not allowed.
You're not allowed.
He said you're. Someone said, I don't remember who. Or maybe we saw a sign.
The sign said.
The sign said, don't go down the sides. Wow.
Nice little place.
As long as you can just sit.
Yeah, you can sit and enjoy a picnic up here. I don't know if you can, probably not, but
You can down there.
you can down there.
Let's go.
Or even over there.
All right, on
Probably could.
to Mound 2. Whichever, I don't know which one we're doing next.
Smallest to largest.
Smallest to largest.
It's the second largest mound in the United States.
Yes.
Beat only by the one in Illinois.
Let's go up.
Do it.
You coming, Mal?
Yeah, just way back.
All right, so this mound is Mound A, symbol of a chieftain.
That is already almost up.
Oh, these stairs are much bigger. The stairs on the one we just went up were really shallow. It was hard to step on them. No, these are much nicer.
Now my feet can actually fit on.
Yes, my feet actually fit on these stairs.
Yeah, me too. I feel like I'm stepping on one big step. I feel like I'm stepping on two and stepping on one. They're also really little.
Oh, yes.
Look how far down.
Oh, I see.
We're already half up.
We're halfway. We can do it. Come on. We can
That
do
is
it.
the fastest.
Daddy is the fastest. He is beating us.
They said I bet this is gorgeous in the fall. All right, we'll come back for you.
The stairs were a bit much. It looks spiky. I'm so out of breath. You would think we didn't have stairs in our house.
I've caught my back. Most of it.
Now, come on.
I'm all the way in South California.
You are obsessed with California. One day we'll take you.
Not to the edge.
Yeah, that's a good spot. Stay there.
Yeah, that would hurt.
Oh, spiky, spiky.
And like vertical.
Oh, it's so much higher than the little one. We got some chained off stuff. There's the river.
Yeah.
I feel like we had a better view of the river on the other one though. Oh, there's the step you're talking about.
Yeah. Why can't we come up this? This looks awesome.
I don't know. Keep off slopes.
It's a giant step. Now I'm just walking towards the other side.
Let's go read the sign. Learn.
But I can't go that way. I'm walking this way because Daddy turned me that way.
Oh dear. He has been turned the wrong way.
I want to go down here.
It's to control my arm. I can't control it with my arm.
Etowah's past, present, and future. So wait, this was the temple?
Yeah.
It's my arm control.
All right, so we're standing on the temple. How was it constructed?
I have no idea.
I don't know. We're on top of a whole large mountain.
We could ask the next ranger we find.
Yeah, let's head down. Mound C, ceremonial mortuary. This one has an up and a down set.
Guys, the fastest one is blah, blah, blah.
Well, it is the shortest one, but yes, he's been faster than us today.
There's always been fastest.
I don't know. We've made it to the third mound, which is the smallest one and the easiest one to climb up. And it's the closest to the river.
I feel like the middle mound would have been great for sledding.
Oh, yeah. How do you like your seat? Good view? Yeah. Mal is officially tired.
He was officially tired when we got out of the car.
Yeah.
Better not leave this on me. I'm about to go to sleep.
I know. You know, when I was your age, if I were to lay out in the sun, I would fall asleep instantly.
Just drag me.
I'm not going to drag you through this.
Of course
Oh,
not.
Daddy will.
Alright, come on.
What was that spin around? So, look, according to the map, it says we're like right in between here. Before we got to that one,
I think we're right here.
yeah, farthest down. So from all of these mounds will be all up here. So we're going to be from here on this path following to the water.
All right, let's go see the water.
Yeah. I'll keep one eye on the map.
All right, let's go see. There's a sign that says some sort of trail over there, but I don't think we're gonna have time to do the trail if we're trying to hit another museum, because there apparently is only a 4-hour span that they're free.
I know where we are. We're walking up here. Says we're here. I can't smell it anymore. Can I throw that in the fire?
No, you cannot throw anything in the fire.
Yeah, it would be some dry grass.
Cool.
And then we also have our quinoa in here. So this is what they would have used to make corn flour. So we have some corn in here if you want to try beating the quinoa.
You wanna try?
What's the beating quinoa?
So you would use this and you'd beat the corn. And then you're gonna beat the corn. You wanna try? It's a little heavy, okay?
What would they make out of that?
Corn flour. But then they could make they call it cornbread, but it's not like our cornbread.
Mm-hmm.
And they would cook that in the fire.
Cool.
But they would normally do that in the fall, right after the harvest.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, I found it so broken. All that white stuff is broken.
Yeah.
Brokenness.
Eventually it will become cornmeal. You look down at the bottom, you can even see remnants of the last cornmeal.
Cool. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Did they like char the insides of these to make them
Yeah.
harder?
Yeah, they would have charred their weapons and charred the inside.
I'm looking at the
What
back
they probably
of it.
did with this is that they would cut hot stones to slowly burn.
Okay.
So we just finished at the Etowah Indian Mounds, and
It was super cool.
it was super cool.
I want to live like that.
Yeah, it was a lot cooler than I was expecting. Yeah.
But yeah, we got to see some really cool tools. We got to throw some spears with
Mhm.
atlatls.
Yep.
Lots of climbing up hills.
Yep.
We got to mash some corn.
Oh yeah, in the hut. The hut was cool. I liked the hut.
Mm-hmm.
I would like to know how they originally constructed the mounds. That is a question we should have asked.
Yes, we did forget. We always forget at least one question.
At least one question. But otherwise, yeah, on to the next museum before the day's over.
All right. Let's
Bye.
hope Mel's headache goes away.
I know, poor baby. I have too much sun.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Hit subscribe if you want to watch the next video. Bye.